Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a product review on World War Supply 1911 pistol belt. So we're just going to open this up. Amazon does a great job on their packing. So far it looks good, very well packaged. Appears to be in good condition. The leather is quite nice, pretty thick, gonna be pretty durable. Yeah, it's got a nice strap that goes around your leg. Oh, that's nice. They even wrapped up the it's a pretty good finish. I would imagine this is probably made in India. The finish is good. The casting seems to be pretty good. The leather is great. This is gonna go good. We'll plan to use this for an everyday carry. But yeah, looks fantastic. That's a good snap. The leather seems very good quality. So yeah, I would recommend. You can get them off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, looks great. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy.